So here's the progesterone number, LH number, and also estrogen number, and the FSH number. So those are 4 hormones, and they are essential to understand the female cycle. And we, for our test, one test will give you 4 numbers at once. So Mira is the women's health testing platform. So we test the female hormone of LH, estrogen, progesterone, and FSH, and we help women to understand their fertility, menopause, and manage hormone imbalances. So we sample the urine. So if you're the user, you will pee in this urine cup, and you will dip the test wand into into the urine sample, and then reverse the cap and insert this test wand into this device. And now the test wand has already been used, showing the used wand, but you will get the reading like this within 16 minutes. So here shows your hormone concentration for each, and everything is quantitative. And then the data will be synchronized to our app. So on this app, it will show you something like the curve. So that's your hormone concentration. And if you're testing every day, it's going to show how it's changing over time. And at the same time, we give you a program to help the user to understand their health and also what to do with them. So for example, we provide them suggestions about what they are eating and to make it more healthy. And also we give them content such as the meditation, 10 minutes meditation. So that will help the user to manage their stress a little bit better. Yeah, so we have users who are trying to conceive, so they want to understand their ovulation and the fertile window, and we have a lot of users who are going through menopause. So menopause has been an emerging market segment for us. So people got confused if they're entering menopause or not. Sometimes you're not feeling well, you have a problem to sleep, you don't even get diagnosed. What's the problem behind that? And we help users to understand that. We help them to manage their lifestyle to feel better during the menopause stage. And there's 10% of global population of women who have PCOS, which is a condition of hormone imbalances, and that can occur anytime during the reproductive age. And then we help them to understand their hormone pattern and then give them a suggestion what they could do. This is our monitor. So that's a test device. Here shows the last test results. So here's the progesterone number, LH number, and also estrogen number, and the FSH number. So those are 4 hormones, and they are essential to understand the female cycle. And we, for our test, one test will give you 4 numbers at once.
So it's like a urine sample?
It's
right?
urine sample, yes.
So they use here.
Yes.
And then they dip it, and then they
Exactly. And the data goes to the cloud, and there's an AI algorithm on the cloud to analyze the data, and eventually everything transferred to be what the user could do to achieve their goal. So app does few things, and one is to display all your testing data, so you can see how things are changing, such as the how my cycle this month is compared to last month. If I'm getting more irregularity, my cycle getting longer, any red flag. And another thing is to do data analysis based on that. So how do you compare to your population average of your similar group, like a demographic similar group? And do you have any red flags? And the last one is to give wellness suggestion. So I see Mira more like a virtual or like a digital functional medicine doctor. So imagine, women going through infertility, menopause, hormone imbalance, like a mood swing, what's so on. So you got a program with Mira. So test is part of this. Test is a core part, but it's only part of this. And the other components is like tell you what does this mean and what you could do. And the goal is to make you feel better and you understand your health better. You have more control. So Mira has been on the market for about 7 years already, and what's new for CES is this new product which is called the Ultra 4. So the orange boxes over there. So Ultra 4 is the newest test one, and it give you 4 hormone numbers at the same time. It's very, very accurate. It's with our improved technology, and compared to some OPK, so ovulation predictor kit, which you see the ovulation or hormone tracking, positive, negative, this 1 line versus 2 line. We are, much more accurate, 7 times more accurate, and we're 6 times more sensitive. That means if you're having, tiny hormone fluctuation, or your hormone level really low or really high, we can still capture that. But with traditional tests, it's probably out of the range. It's not gonna be able to say. And this is paired with this, something like the functional medicine program I just mentioned. So really give user a full understanding and a full control of their health. And that's what's new. And you can find it on miracare.com. So that's our website.